Here. Hello, everyone. This year, my topic is brand awareness worldwide. I would like to share my knowledge about sales, some strategies for sale ENCY, and about me. Over 20 years of experience in automation, software, and the production control in manufacture. A pioneer in CAD/CAM solutions for milling robot in Brazil. COMAC was founded 70 years ago. COMAC is recognized as a leader in robotic machining technologies for woodworking, stone mold making, and a high precision custom manufacturing. Okay, brand awareness worldwide. The rule of awareness worldwide shaping business success and the consumer perception. Brand awareness secures a business future by building a loyal customer base, enabling resilience in the changing markets and drive sustainable growth. Market research, cultural sensitivity, and data analytics help tailor campaigns to diverse global audience. And the topic is today is a for marketing and technical strategy, how to approach the specific public, the reason to promote the brand ENCY worldwide. Take our brand global. Let's boost ENCY worldwide. The art of invisible selling. And we believe that the brand must have a more technical approach. Then, to start this approach, is important to have professionals who deal with CAD/CAM software by our side, as well as some marketing strategies to reach this specific public, as we will next. We're going to talk about the importance of market and the fundamental part of the technical strategy for audience and clients. The first, marketing and the technical strategy. The marketing strategy is aimed at the more technical approach. So for achievement, this specific public, some approaches will be necessary, such as CAD/CAM developers, trial license, webinar conference, interviews, bus and social media, and community engagement. Social media, example, LinkedIn as a learning platform, showcases success stories and sharing relevant industry news. Instagram as a design platform, showcasing new trends, product launches, and the quick engaging videos. YouTube serves a complementary platform, providing in-depth tutorials, details product demonstrations, and the educational videos that permit us explore topics more clear and engage with our audience on a deeper level. This is a example. A strong website. The COMAC and ENCY websites work seamlessly together, providing the clear explanation, engage illustrations, and the valuable content that enhance the audience understanding and ensure confidence in our solution. In addition, COMAC is presented at the industry major events, including trade shows, podcasts, university events. We also host our own signature event, the COMAC Open House, where we will open our doors to clients, students, technical visits, and the partners, offering deep dive into our robotics and the software solution. This is an example for conferences, trade shows, fairs, webinars, and how to approach the specific public. I'd like to share with you a short video we created the Marmomac, an event focused in companies that work with marble and natural stone. This is one example of the type of target messaging we produce design specifically to reach specific publics and audience with clear, direct communications. To help you better understand the video, it includes English subtitles. Você vai estar presente na Marmomac 2025? Nós também. Eu sou o André e essa é a COMAC, especialista em robótica aplicada ao design e inovação no setor de pedras naturais. Na COMAC acreditamos que a verdadeira inovação acontece quando a tecnologia potencializa a criatividade. Nossos robôs são aliados indispensáveis para artistas e designers que desejam transformar suas ideias em peças de impacto global. Venha nos conhecer na Marmomac e viva essa experiência. Tecnologia, inovação e design te esperam em nosso stand. How to approach the specific public? Connect with them through shared values, delivering messages to resonate, use visuals and the language that reflect their identity, and offer solutions that empower their journey. And beyond that, we will also carry out several key activities, includes customer segmentation by industry type, trial license, success case, post-sale relationship management, and the technical visits. The reason to promote ENCY Worldwide. Promoting the brand ENCY, it's about more than visibility. It's about to create a connection, fostering trust, and become a part of the global culture. In every market, in every tongue, your brand should speak. Building trust and credibility. Increase the quality through technical evolutions by people with technical reference in the fields and who are part of the community. We believe that from the moment ENCY software is attested through licensing, software events, COMAC webinars, lives, interviews, etc. It will be result in the brand awareness, and consistently our software will have a higher profile worldwide. The reason to promote the brand ENCY Worldwide, this is how we see COMAC and ENCY work together in the development, the technologies, and the new possibilities for the machining industry. We are the future of machining, strong partnership, and the complete solutions in the hardware and software. FIMA is a fair 2025. This year, we will be at FIMA again, the biggest furniture and industry fair in Brazil. We will have many new things to show, including this new shared vision between COMAC and ENCY. This is a new way of thinking about the partnership between COMAC and ENCY. It's clear to us. COMAC think that behind a good hardware and a good product, we need to run a very good software. The art of invisible selling. The idea of invisible sales is linked to the success of the brand in the direct way. For the example, a robot is a complex part which require precision, and this only happens because of the software, which gives the robot the command. Invisible selling, also known as soft selling, is all about subtly engaging your audience and building relationships without overtly pushing and the product or service. It involves understand the needs, provide the value, and foster trust, so the sale feels natural and mutual beneficial. Okay, perfect. The success and of milling the piece only happen through the software. In the other words, the result and the success of the machine part can only occur due to the quality of the software that, through the commands, can bring the robots to life to machine the parts. How to make invisible selling more accurate? Perfect your approach by deeply understand your customer needs, focus on genuine relationships and the subtle influence rather than the push sales. This ensure more precise and effective invisible selling. The five main key points of invisible selling is connect with people on the personal level, listen more than you talk, customize your approach, offer genuine value, and a subtle guide your customer toward a decision. Okay, thank you for all and team ENCY and my contact for all.